Meaning of Grange Hill.
Grange Hill.
Grange Hill.
Grange Hill.
Grange Hill. Grange Hill is a British television drama series that aired from 1978 to 2008. It followed the lives of a group of teenagers attending a comprehensive school in London, exploring their relationships, personal issues, and topical social problems. The show was known for tackling controversial subjects such as drug use, bullying, and teenage pregnancy. It became a cultural phenomenon, shaping the attitudes and experiences of a generation of viewers. The show's legacy endures today, with its themes of adolescent angst and teenage rebellion resonating with audiences around the world.